Hello. What kind of video this gonna be? Hello, my beautiful queens, and welcome to another video. If you are new, welcome. If you are not, then girl, welcome back. Listen, she is back, period. So listen, if you want to see exactly how I got this easy, effortless, beautiful water wave look, then definitely stay tuned. Today's video is brought to you in collaboration with Beauty, not Booty, girl. Beauty Forever Hair. So thank you so much, Beauty Forever. It says beauty for your forever beauty, period. You're getting here. Let's take a look at this hair. Really? Really?
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Later,
Girl, this hair is absolutely right down my alley. First of all, as you guys know, and as you saw, I love a curly unit. You know how much I love a curly unit. So let me just go ahead and give you some quick specs. So we have our combs inside. As you can see, big comb, and then 1, 2, 3 little combs. And then we have our adjustable straps in the back. Now, we have a pretty good size dependable band, so it doesn't look like it's gonna hurt our head, because you know I don't want no headache. And then we have a Velcro on the back. Okay, so excuse my nails. But anyway, this, like I said before, 24 inches, Brazilian water wave. I mean, y'all know this is my kind of unit. Absolutely gorgeous. The hair is very soft, very beginner friendly, and very easy, because we don't have to worry about our widow's peak. So let's get it popped on.
bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it.
Okay, girl, as you can see, I'm a little bit special. So sometimes when you're special, things take a little bit longer. But with this hair, it's the easiest, most beautiful headband wig I ever seen in my life. Very easy. But you know, for me, okay, you don't have to do this. But for me, I like to push mine back a little bit. Girl, get into it. Very simple. Very easy. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the Curl Friends by Cake. Just a little bit, girl. It comes out like lotion. You only need a little bit. And you really don't need it, really. They don't match my outfit. They gave us a couple of different headbands. Let's see. Grab and go, girl.
One of the things I love about the Beauty Forever website, ladies, is the fact that they have live videos showing their products. This really makes a difference, especially when it comes to styling.
If we go to the Beauty Forever website, you will see that not only do they have headband wigs, but they also have frontals, lace front wigs. They also have several different units for you to choose from that are not super expensive. Before this wig, they actually sent me a lace wig. I believe it was an HD lace, transparent lace, and the lace quality was very, very good. Super good lace quality. It was actually the same type of wig, just instead of headband wig, it was a regular lace front wig. Okay, they have closures, all kinds of high quality and beautiful units for you to choose from. So I just wanted to show you the website really quick, because that's important information. So listen, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Put your bell on so that way you can be notified each and every time that I do content. I absolutely am falling in love with this hair, I'm telling you. But I love you to the moon and back. And remember, beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? Let me know down below in the comments what you think and if you like it. But thank you so much. Shout out to Beauty Forever for collaborating and sponsoring this video and keeping your girl looking cute. Because you know they love to come for your girl about my hair. So whenever I have me a nice, beautiful unit, it definitely makes me feel confident. So thank you so much, Beauty Forever. And thank you guys for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.